Hello, boys and girls. We are beginning our Lesson 24 Reader's Notebook practice pages today. We're doing pages 123, 124, 125. Go ahead right now and get your book out and turn to page 123. You can pause the video and join right in when you're ready. Okay, so we're on page 123. And we're going to be working on words that spell the oo sound with OO, OU, and EW. So let's go ahead and practice some of those. Let's do some OO words first. So OO says oo, like this one. What does this one say? This one says z, oo, zoo, zoo. And how about this word that has OO in it? Remember it says oo. Spoon, spoon, spoon. Here's a picture of a spoon. So the oo sound is also spelled with an OU. So let's practice a couple words with the OU spelling for the oo sound. What does it say? S, oo, p, soup, soup. That looks like, well, it has some numbers in it, it has some letters in it, so that's that ABC soup. And how about this one? It doesn't have a picture, but you can just imagine a group, 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 like a group of children in a classroom. Group, yeah, we can only imagine that. Group. Now, here's another spelling for the oo sound. Okay, this one says oo, just like OO and OU say oo. So let's practice this one. It doesn't have a picture either. Flew, flew, flew. Like we flew to Disney World. And last one says new, new. Like I got some new shoes. New. Okay, so now we're all prepped. On this page, we're going to be sounding out words with OO, EW, and OU. And just remember, every time you're going to be making the oo sound. All right, let's go. This is a picture of a moon. So which of these says moon? Off, moth. Nope. Moon. Yep, moon. Okay, how about this one right here? That's a spoon. So which of these say spoon? Spoon. Spoon. That was actually one of our words we just read. Spoon. This says spot. And what is this right here? That's a screw. So which of these two words says screw? Scream. Scream. Scream? Is that a scream? No. Screw. Screw. Circle that one. Okay, next one. We also practice this one. This is soup. How do we spell soup? O-A. O-A spells O. Soap. Soap. That is not soap. I'm looking for soup. Soup. This is it. O-U spells oo sometimes. We also learned it spelled a different sound, ow, but that's not this week's focus. Okay, this is, says, oh, there's an O-A. O-A says O. B-oat. That's not a boat. It's a boot. Boot. Circle the word boot. In case you don't know, this type of chair is a stool. 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 That's it right there. This has an E that makes the O say O. Stole. Stole. Like he stole my cookie. All right, let's move to the next page. We're going to work on our words to know. These are what we get tested on Friday. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. We're going to read them real big, and then we're going to read them. We're going to fill them in, these blanks. This says earth, which is funny because I just taught you that AR says R, and then I taught you that EA says E, But in this word, it doesn't say anything. Forget everything I taught you. This says earth. Like the land beneath our feet is earth. The planet we live on is earth, except you'd probably want to capitalize it if we said it that way. Kinds. What kinds of candies do you want to pass out on your birthday? Ready. You're getting ready for second grade. Soil. A sand dune does not have soil, it just has sand. You need soil and water to grow good plants on. Soil. Warms. The sun warms the sand. Warms. Again, that AR is not following the rule. It's not warms, just warms. It's just the way we say it. Almost. You're almost second graders. Just a few more months. Country. So I live in the country. That means not a lot of houses are by me. Covers. Pull up your covers. Get warm. Okay, so those same words are right here, and we're just going to fill in the blanks. So I planted flowers in the soil. Soil. It's a special kind of dirt. If you just have sand, it doesn't have all the vitamins and minerals, and you gotta add a lot of stuff to it. Our heater, our house. What does a heater do? It warms. Circle the word warms, and in your best handwriting, write the word warms. Warms. Warms our house. Our heater warms our house. Pete, hit a home run. Okay, we're going to say almost. Pete almost hit a home run. So maybe he only got to third base, but you might not even know what I'm talking about unless you have played baseball before, which a lot of first graders still haven't. But we can go ahead and just take Mrs. Gillum's word for it. Pete almost hit a home run. Almost. Mr. Lee lives in the country. Maybe he doesn't have very many houses by him, so that's why they say he lives in the country. 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 Mom, us with a blanket. Mom covered us with a blanket. Okay. And then next, are you to go? Are you ready to go? Then the EA sometimes spells red. And in a two-syllable word, the Y says E. Ready. Dinosaurs walked the millions of years ago. Dinosaurs walked the earth millions of years ago. And finally, I got many of games for my birthday. The only word left is kinds. I got many kinds of games for my birthday. Are you using your good handwriting? No floating letters. I'm looking at my letters. None of them are floating like ghosts. They're all standing on the line. Okay, now we're going to do some more words with that use the O-O, O-U, and E-W spellings to spell the ooh sound in moon. And I wanted you to practice reading some of them. Ooh, n. Moon. Moon. There's a picture of our moon, sort of. It looks like a piece of cheese. Here's another one. This one has an EW. D-er-oo. Drew. I drew a heart. Or actually, in this picture, they're drawing a cat. I drew a cat. Drew. The last one I wanted to just share with you is this one. It uses O-O to spell oo. Stool. Stool. Remember that? This is a stool. Okay, so the words on here are cool, group, room, drew, and stool. I'm going to go ahead and raise this up. We're on number 1 on page 125. Let's go ahead and move this out. And number 1, and here's our words we're going to choose from. I got together with a of friends. If only. I got together with a group of friends. Grr, grr, oo. We're going to use the OU spelling for the oo sound. Group. We had fun playing in my Playing in my room. Ooh. 2 O's spell the oo that time. We had fun playing in my room. We some pictures and hung them up. We cool some pictures? No. We drew some, yes, we drew some pictures. Ooh. What's going to spell the oo this time? Oh, EW. Remember that the rest of your life. In the word drew, EW spells the oo sound. Then we painted my old, well, my old cool, no, my own old stool. Yeah. Maybe he had a boring stool and he wanted to paint it up pretty. Stool. Stool. Now the room looks, okay, we already did stool, cool. Now the room looks cool. 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 All right. We are done. So, toodaloo.